Hello and welcome back to Bonex Investment Group. Today I am revealing a step-by-step blueprint that can take you from just $160 to managing $400,000 in prop firm accounts. That's right, starting small and scaling big with FTMO accounts. Here are my own payout certificates that proves this system really works. Trust me, this isn't another trading hype video. By the end, you'll know how to build a sustainable trading career. Stick around because I will show you how you can use my strategies to pass these challenges like a pro. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with step 1. That is turning $160 in cash into a $50,000 account. Firstly, you use that $160 in cash to purchase a $50,000 account challenge. You need to make sure that you use a real prop firm company. In this particular case, we use FTMO, one of the most reliable and trader-friendly company. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link that I've left in the description box below. It helps this channel and gets you started with a reliable prop firm company. Now, here's why this is such a great deal. FTMO not only refunds your challenge fees with your first payout, but it will also give you the opportunity to trade with a substantial capital. So with your $160 in cash that you have, it will open the opportunity to trade with $50,000 account. But here's the catch, you need to strategically approach this. Your first goal is to pass phase 1 of the challenge. This means attaining 10% of the 50,000, which is 5,000, without getting into a drawdown of 10%. There is also another parameter that you need to keep in mind. You should not go down 5%, that's 2,500 a day on that $50,000 challenge. Sounds challenging, right? But don't worry, with proper risk management and a solid trading strategy, it is achievable. Once you clear phase 1, you jump to the next phase, which is phase 2, where the profit target drops to 5%. This phase tests your consistency and discipline. The key here is not to chase losers and not to over leverage the account. By sticking to a proven system, you are not just passing a challenge, you are laying a foundation to the long-term success. Remember, once you pass phase 1 and phase 2, FTMO will give you a funded account which has $50,000 in it. That is when the real fun begins. Alright, let's dig a little deeper into this. This is the make or break stage for most traders. The biggest mistake I see is basically over trading. Many traders feel the pressure to hit their targets in the shortest possible period of time and end up taking a lot of unnecessary risk, but that is a recipe for disaster. Instead, focus on slow, steady growth. Aim for small gains of at least 1 to 2% per trade. Use a solid risk to reward ratio. I recommend at least 2 to 1. Do not risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. This approach gives you room to recover when you have a string of losses. Here's another pro tip. Stick to a handful of high probability setups, those ones that you call A setups in your trading strategy. But in my case, I'll actually give you the A patterns. You do not need to trade every day or chase every market move. If you are consistent in following these rules, you'll pass these challenge accounts without breaking a sweat. And remember, my course dives deep in these particular strategies, giving you the exact tools you need to succeed. Once you've passed the challenge and now managing a $50,000 account, the next step is to scale up. Your goal here is to hit 8% profit target. Why 8%? Because that is enough to reinvest and purchase additional FTMO accounts. FTMO allows you to manage up to 400,000 in combined accounts. That means you can use your 4,000, which is 8% of your $50,000, to purchase $350,000 worth of accounts and bring your total value to 400. This is where things get exciting. With more capital, you now have greater earning potential while still maintaining a strict conservative risk management approach. Think of this stage as scaling your trading business. You are no longer just a trader. You are now managing a portfolio of accounts. The key here is to stay disciplined. Follow your strategy and protect your capital at all costs. Now that you are managing a $400,000 account, the focus shifts to consistent and sustainable profits, a modest 2% return per month. That is $8,000 in profits per month, which is more than most people earn in their traditional jobs. The beauty of this approach is that you do not need to swing for the fences to put food on the table. By aiming for small, consistent gains, you reduce your risk while enjoying a steady income. Remember, on this stage, your goal isn't just only to make money, but to as well stay in the game for the long run. At this stage, you are now operating like a professional fund manager. It's all about discipline, risk management, patience to wait for the A+ setups, and sticking to your proven strategy. If you are ready to start your journey, click my FTMO affiliate link in the description box below. Signing up through my link not only supports this channel but also connects you to one of the most reliable prop firm companies in the industry. And if you are wondering how to pass these challenge accounts with confidence, my course has all the answers. It is packed with a step-by-step approach on how to get these A+ setups that allows you to get winning entries. Check it out using the link that I've left in the description box below. To recap, you start with only $160 in your pocket, purchase your $50,000 account with FTMO, and scale up to $400,000 account. That is the exact equation of how you are going to change your 160 into a $400,000 account. With the right mindset and strategy, this journey is completely achievable. On that note, we've come to the end of our today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.